When most people turn 65, they retire, they slow down, they accept that life has passed them by. But not Harland Sanders. At 65, he was broke, tired, and living off a $105 Social Security check. He had lost his restaurant, lost his income, and had only one thing left: a chicken recipe and an unbreakable belief in himself. Instead of giving up, he packed his old car, dressed in his signature white suit, and hit the road. He knocked on restaurant doors, pitched his recipe, and offered a deal. Use my chicken recipe. Pay me a small commission for each piece you sell. Simple, honest, bold, but no one believed in him. He was rejected once, then 10 times, then 100, then 500. But he kept going. 1,009 rejections. Let that sink in. 1,009. People said, "No one wants your chicken. You're too old. It's too late." But the 1,010th person, they said yes. That yes turned into Kentucky. Fried chicken? One small diner became a few. A few became hundreds. By age 73, Colonel Sanders had over 600 franchises. From sleeping in his car, to feeding the world. He wasn't lucky. He wasn't young. He wasn't rich. He was relentless. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're not done. Colonel Sanders built an empire. At the age most people stop dreaming, so don't let age, failure, or rejection define you. Let your belief, your courage, your grit do the talking, because all it takes is one yes.